Going hard, the big swing from Dhoni. A fearful circular blow that wouldn't disgrace an international axeman.
Well, decidedly agricultural from Dhoni.
Oh, there he goes again. That's further, I think. I think he just climbed. Dhoni down the wicket. It's a small ground. It won't challenge him. Terrific strike. Oh, it's worth extending your arms further than... Here he goes. It's in the air. Oh, another. Number 4. The double winder.
And the 8 overs left, one wonders how many he's going to get. It's in the air and it's out of here.
Well, look at the follow-through, dudes. Look at that. Once he actually makes the strike, he gets such a lot of speed through the strike zone circle. And again. And again. That has left the suburb. Here we go. Oh, he creamed that one. He's gone straight twice in a row. This one has gone square to a much longer boundary. 3 in a row.
Well, it was flat, but it was short. Gave him the use of his arms. And I think that's gone somewhere close to the penal institution across the road.